Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with MJ. This is Murari. I am a certified .NET developer over more than 7 years of experience. Currently, I am working on the Microsoft technology like .NET, C Sharp, Web API, SQL, and Power Platforms. So, if you want to grow up your career in .NET technology for the software development or web development, then please be stay with our channel because here I have already given a lot of videos, and in future I'm planning to give a set of videos that can guide you from the initial level to the high level. So in today video, I would like to explain about one of the powerful tools of the Power Platform is called PowerApps. So under the PowerApps, we have two approaches. First is canvas approach and another one is model driven approach. So it is tough to understand about in which scenario we have to take the decision. Either we can go with canvas approach or we can go with model driven approach, but here I can explain you everything and you can easily able to understand that what scenario is good or best for your requirement. So for example, the both application is basically used to create for the organizational based application like a finance, IT management, admin, HR onboarding process. So this type of application you can create with the model driven application or with the canvas application. But here you need to identify the requirement is which types of. So for example, if your requirement is looks a UI or user experience centric, then obviously you have to go with canvas application because in that development approach you will have the more privileges over the customization on behalf of UI. But in terms of model driven applications, very less amount of customization will be under you because everything is managed by their approach as well. So if your data is too complex, you're playing with your data only, then obviously you have to go with model driven application. If your activity or requirement is task based, so when I'm saying task based, so for example, if you are getting the information of any members, just you are saying for the registration, so this is a task. There is no any internal complex logic is. But in case of the whole process, whole onboarding process, like first of all, the candidate will provide their data, and after that it will go to the HR, and after that admin and someone else. So this is the internal complex logic. So in this case, you have to go with the model driven applications. So we will talk about the database and data connectivities. So in case of Canvas application, currently you have more than 300 plus years of data connectors available that you can use to connect the database in case of Canvas application creation. Okay, or in case of model driven application design, you only have the database which is called Dataverse, which is already provided by Microsoft. So this is called the CDS, Common Data Service, and the well known as Dataverse. So in this case, you have to define the entities inside the Dataverse, and according to that particular entities, that your form will be created in case of model driven approach. Yes, you can ask a question about if I already have the entity in our another database like SQL, Microsoft, Access or anywhere else. It's like a data entity in your any other database. So how what you can do? So obviously you will have the different connectors. So with the help of that connectors, first of all you need to pull whatever entity in your another database into the dataverse. Once you will pull the whatever entity you have in the dataverse, then you can design the forms using model driven approach. So that's it. Now you need to identify what is the requirement of yours and which types of application you are going to create. On behalf of that, you can decide either you have to go with canvas application approach or you have to go with model driven approach. That's all for this brief demo about the Power Apps. Thank you. Thank you for staying with us. If you feel this video looks helpful to you, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the future updated video related to Microsoft technology and other technology as well. Okay, and please like and share with your community as well. That can help to, spread this type of informative video in the dev community. Thank you. Thank you for watching.